there's nothing like when you can get a well-pleased client who, came to your business and left feeling overwhelmed and pleased by the services that you offered. I just want you to listen to one of our clients, a new client who came to Healthy Solutions, and you'll hear what she has to say. Let's go right into it. Hi, how you doing?
I am good.
Good.
Better than great. Better than excellent.
Yeah. Okay, is it your first time coming to Healthy Solutions?
It is my first time.
Yes. And how do you like it?
Oh, I love it. I will definitely be back. My experience was outstanding. Everything is professional. Everything is clean to my liking, and I had excellent results. I can't speak.
You can't explain it?
Yes, it's just, it's a different feeling. It's a good feeling. I feel mentally, I don't know, it's just good.
and that's what I told you, right? That
Yes.
you have to experience it for yourself.
I almost canceled it out.
While you had some fear, you
Yeah,
was thinking
but-
it was going to pain.
Yes.
So tell me about your experience with the whole thing, what you got. You got your sterile gown.
Everything was clean, like I said. The gown, I put it on, and the tube wasn't bad. It was
Just a little uncomfortable at first.
Yes, at first it was a little uncomfortable, but then I got used to it. It never hurt. When the water was going in, it was like a very mild cramp, very mild. It wasn't nothing unbearable. It was good. And the release was, oh my goodness, I never knew I had so much stuff inside of me. Whenever somebody tell me I full of doodle, I'm not gonna take offense to it, because it's so amazing. I would recommend everybody in the whole wide world to take one of these.
To take with a colonic, yes. And you saw that I did open disposable, everything in front of you.
Everything was done in front of me, that I could see that everything was clean, and I was only me using it. It was
and then it
was
disposed of, and everything disinfected.
Correct.
And I am so happy. I don't have to call your name, but I feel honored to have you come to Healthy Solutions, knowing who your dad was.
Yes.
You know, your dad was into alternative medicine.
Correct.
He was one of the top naturopathic doctors in Honduras.
Yes.
And I really feel glad to know that you came in and you're pleased.
And I'm happy I came in. I'm so
And
so
you would
happy.
recommend it to others, men and women?
Everybody I run into today, I telling them about this.
Oh, I thank you so much. Well, I just want to thank you, and and your form and everything was filled out, and you saw where I did your urine for the pH balance, and it was acidic. It was acidic, very acidic. Yeah. So this is the beginning of your journey with cleansing.
Yes.
And you see for yourself the benefits of the colon therapy and what it does in the various areas of the colon.
I have a feeling that I'll still be going later on today, and I don't have a problem with that.
Yes. And so I just want to say once again, I thank you for choosing Healthy Solutions.
Thank you.
And also for the word of mouth for spreading it
Yes,
for
ma'am.
us. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Anything you want to say? It's time to
Come
Dr.
get
Fagan.
your colonics. Please, doesn't matter how old you are. If you're young, old, it does not matter. You need one. We don't know what it is that we have inside of our bodies until it comes out. So please take heed with your health and do a colonic.
Yeah, and then you're detoxing and what have you.
Yes.
And I was very gentle with you.
You was gentle. You was very gentle. Thank you.
All right then. Well, you heard it all for yourself. I need not say anything else. I'm just looking forward to seeing you also come in and get your first, second, third, fourth, fifth colonic done. And also we continue to offer the ionic foot detoxing, really energizes the system. If there's ever a time that we need some energy and cleansing, it is now during these trying times. So as I always like to say, nobody's going to take care of you like you. And so don't forget that it's by appointments only. once I am available and here on the island, go ahead and share this video clip for me. I thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. God bless.